Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, November 23rd, and happy Thanksgiving to you all. We'll be closed Thursday, Friday, so I'll catch up with you guys on Monday. And we got a lot of economic news scheduled for today, so let's jump right on into it. We'll start off the jobless claims that are normally released on Thursday, but being tomorrow being a holiday, they release it today. Last week they reported 388,000 people applying for unemployment. They thought it would go up a little bit, and it did. So, but we're still underneath the 400,000 mark. A lot of this is going to be probably looking at like low due to the retail sales, probably hiring a group of people for temporary use for the holiday season. January, I think we'll have a better gauge as to where the unemployment numbers will be. So, kind of be cautious with the jobs numbers here, probably over the next month and a half. Personal income, back in September, it was up 0.2%. We figured it would be about the same, and actually went up. So people are getting paid a little bit more, which is good news. Consumer spending, back in September, people are spending a little bit more. 0.6% was up. Figured it would drop a little bit, and it dropped quite a bit. So people are making a little bit more money, and they're spending less money right now. So obviously they're feeling a little bit more cautious about where the economy is moving towards and how they're spending the money. And core PCE, this is the Fed's gauge for inflation. We had 0%, so basically nothing, and I figured it would just have a slight uptick, and basically came in where estimates came, 0.1%. So very tame inflation numbers. Durable goods, basically negative 0.6. We figured it was even get worse, but actually pretty much it remained about the same, negative 0.7%. So not too good economy. Obviously, we're not seeing a lot of orders going through right now. Things are slowing down on this side. Consumer sentiment, we got the 64.2, so people still weren't feeling too good. We figured it would have a slight uptick. It actually dropped us slightly. So people still aren't feeling too good about where the economy is and where maybe heading towards. So obviously those aren't too good news. So let's jump right into the headline news. As you can see, we have quite a bit of news scheduled for today. The Dow is down, and the rest of the stock market's down quite a bit, and a lot of it has to do with the kind of a surprise here, the German bond market, which has been, the Germany is kind of like the U.S., where their bonds are kind of created as a flight to safety, and people are buying. So it was really kind of extremely bad, actually. So came kind of surprise to a lot of people. So, and then of course there's still concerns about France being the second largest economy over there, and now you might as well add Belgium to the list of concerns. So what's going on with France and Belgium is that their yields are rising to levels that are being concerned that maybe they might hit the 7% threshold where it might be too high, and maybe they need a bailout or something might happen along those folks too. So, but their yields are at all-time highs since the euro. The Europe community has joined forces. So that's creating some concerns for investors that maybe it goes too high. So let's jump over to the bond market, see where interest rates are at. We had a pretty good day yesterday. We had this getting a start effect. Today we're having the start effect. We're a little bit lower, as you can see on the totem pole. So rates are probably not as good as yesterday's, or probably be pretty close. But it's just a slight upticks, but it's not a huge deal. We're still trending pretty much within this range, as we've been saying for nearly 2 weeks here, within this range here a little bit. So. We should have some breakout news, but with the traders probably being off to the homes and our holiday mode in the Hamptons, we got basically day traders for the rest of this week. So come Monday, maybe things might look a little bit different. But the news that we had today probably should have been kind of more of a breakout day. But being that it's day before holiday, people are in that holiday mode. So you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Hope you guys have a safe and wonderful Thanksgiving weekend. And see you guys on Monday. And if you're on my website, Mike's Daily Market Report, please subscribe, as well as onto my YouTube channel. Have a great day.